Assalamualaikum. In this video, I am going to share yummy Pani Puri Pani recipe which you can make at home very easily and enjoy. Let's get started. Firstly, take 1 cup coriander and half cup pudina, few green chilies according to your taste, and ginger. Here I am using dry ginger instead of ginger. Add little water and blend into fine paste. You can see the consistency. Pour it into a large vessel and add in 1 liter chilled water in it. Now add in salt, hing, dry mango powder, roasted cumin powder, black pepper powder, red chilli powder, black salt, lemon juice and tamarind water. Mix it nicely. You can also strain the water if needed. Pour some ice cubes for extra chilled water. Here is the spicy green water ready. Moving on to the next step. Here I had soaked tamarind in hot water for about half an hour. Extract the pulp and then pour in the kadhai. Cook for about 1 minute and then add in crushed jaggery and let the jaggery melt. After this step, add in salt, red chilli powder, roasted jeera powder, black pepper powder, hing, black salt and few coriander leaves. Cook for a minute on low flame and then let it cool down. Now pour about half of the prepared tamarind chutney in a large vessel and add 2 cups of chilled water in it. Chilled tamarind water is ready. Moving on, we will make the ragda filling. So here I had soaked white peas in water for the whole night. Pour them into cooker and add 2 potatoes roughly chopped, 2 cups of water, little salt and turmeric powder. Take about 3 to 4 whistles. Here you can see the consistency. Don't worry, ragda is not prepared yet. We will move on to the second part of ragda preparation. So take a kadai and heat oil. Add in cumin seeds. Then goes in onion and green chilies. Let the onions turn slightly brown. Then goes in ginger garlic paste. Cook for a minute so that the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. Now add tomatoes roughly chopped. Add in some water for the tomatoes to turn soft and mushy. Next goes in hing, salt, red chilli powder, roasted jeera powder, coriander powder. Cook the spices for a minute and then pour in the peas and potato mixture. Mix it really well. You can smash the mixture a little bit according to your preference. You can also add water according to the consistency. Let it boil properly, then add in freshly chopped coriander and kasuri methi. Mix it nicely and here the delicious ragda is ready to serve. So now everything is ready. Here I am using ready-made puris. Put the filling and mouth-watering spicy and sweet water in the puris. Try out this delicious Pani Puri recipe at home. Enjoy! If you like the recipe, then do like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.